guys, Miss Charlie here with a video using the new Sugar Drizzle Milf palette called Man I Love Frogs. So cute, I love these little glasses. And this is the first time I ever used Sugar Drizzle. I've heard so many things about their butterfly and their dragonfly palette. Fat hair, sorry. Ugh. Heard a lot about their palettes, and I decided to try this one when it came out. The shipping was phenomenal. I think I ordered it one day and got it like a few days later. That was great. It is an all multi-chrome duochrome palette, so there are no mattes in here, but that's fine. I worked with it without using mattes in here. The colors are beautiful, beautiful. I have swatches on my Instagram, so please check that out. But this is the look that I did today. You can see the shifts on the colors. I used this one, this one, this one, and this one today. If you want me to do more looks using this palette, let me know. I'll be glad to, or I can post them on Instagram. But I love this palette. I love duochromes. I love multi-chromes. Had no problems with them at all. It's usually the same issue with, sorry, cat hair again. I guess I didn't get it the first time. Hate it when that happens. You can feel it there, but can't get it. Anyway, I had no problem using it. I either use my finger or a brush to apply, or you can use a sponge applicator. You can spray your brush or just use your finger. I did use my finger on this color, but I did use a brush on this one because it did not need any, it didn't need anything, and that was the Milf color. This is the Milf color. You see it has a blue reflect on it, the green, and the blue. That's what I have out here. And then on my inner I have Croaky, which is a blue, purple, pink. I don't know if the camera is not going to pick this up. I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand. So that one is Milf and that one is Croaky. On camera a lot it looks more blue, but it's pink to me, but you can see the reflect in that. And I also used, I'm not to wipe off my hand, I also used the color Hop Along, and then I also used Feelin' Froggy. So I used these two, and you can see that one is a teal, purple, blue. And this one is more green. It's got a little bit of a blue shift in it. And those are the 4 colors that I used today. They're so pretty, more pretty in person. This is so shiny in person. It's such a shiny green, blue. And then this one is the blue purple. So very pretty. But this is the look that I did today. So if you're interested, stay tuned so you can see how I created this look. If again you want any other looks using the Milf palette, let me know. Let me know if you picked this up, and if you picked up any of their other ones and what you think of Sugar Drizzle. So thanks so much for being here and watching, and I'm gonna let you go ahead and watch the tutorial.